welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie if you don't know me. Today's video is a little bit different, actually a lot different. It's not gonna be makeup related, it's just gonna be a cook with me type of video. I'm gonna be cooking some chicken with heavy whipping cream. For us it's just called Pollo con Crema. I'm not sure, but I think different cultures make it differently, and this is how we make it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. What you're gonna need is just chicken. It can be any chicken. I'm gonna be just using some drumsticks and some thighs, and then I'm gonna just be using heavy whipping cream, which just comes in a container. I'll show you guys later. And then just a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of chicken broth is what I use for mine. And then of course an onion. And that's all that we use when I make our kind of pollo con crema. So just so you know the ingredients that are in it, I will put a list either on the screen or on the description box of the stuff that is needed to make it. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys what I use and how I make it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if this is your first time, I hope that you guys consider subscribing if you like this content. if this is something that you guys would be interested in, maybe doing other cooking videos. I'm not like a professional or anything like that. I actually don't cook, I just kind of wing it. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing this kind of videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next one. Toodles.